If you're looking for a beginner bike, here are some sub 400cc options that will still get your adrenaline pumping. Nothing belongs at the top of this list more than the Kawasaki Ninja. If the 400 packs too much punch, then this is where the good old Ninja 300 comes into play. This little parallel twin motorcycle is fast yet approachable for completely new riders. It's lightweight and offers an ideal blend of performance, reliability, and ease of use. And its top speed of 110 miles per hour is nothing to sneeze at. In most regions, you can find a Ninja 300 for relatively low cost. But if you're feeling confident, throw caution to the wind and snag a Ninja 400. The 399cc parallel twin offers 44 horsepower and a flat torque curve, making it a smooth and exciting ride. It also looks bulkier than it actually is. It's also the go-to choice for riders in the Supersport 300 World Championship. And if the 400 just isn't doing it for you, there's always the Ninja ZX4RR, a 400cc screamer that produces an estimated 76 horsepower in international markets, though only 56.3 horsepower in the US, revs up to 15,000 RPM, and propels the bike to 157 miles per hour. All that makes the ZX4RR the fastest 400cc motorcycle in the world. The Suzuki GSX 250R proves that speed doesn't define a bike. Despite lacking punch in terms of top speed, it still brings the goods. It's a little heavy, springy, and comes with basic features, but push it hard and you'll realize just how fun this thing is. Yes, 85 miles per hour isn't nearly as fast as some other two-wheelers in this list, but speed isn't everything, especially for new riders. Chinese motorcycles are making a mark in the industry, and they're probably here to stay. They actually offer a great bang for your buck, and nothing proves this better than the CF Moto 300 SS. This little 300cc motorcycle produces 29 horsepower, it comes with a TFT display, USD forks, ABS, and many other features that are usually lacking in the 300cc segment. The Yamaha YZF R3 has been giving tough competition to other sub 400cc motorcycles since it launched in 2015. Thanks to its offset twin-cylinder engine that revs past 12,500 RPM, the R3 can go as fast as 115 miles per hour. It shares the same DNA as its bigger siblings, albeit in a smaller package, so once you've had your fill of the R3, the R6 or R1 will be standing by.